No damage.
Oh, that shit weak.
Fuck out of here. Not today. He's fat.
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to Hold My Nugget Studios. We're back at it again with another Power Slap edition of the greatest eats. Evidently, these chosen few have the greatest chins in the game. Despite being slapped, they refuse to go down and take a knockout.
Look at me. Sure. I'm the captain now.
Methinks not.
Look at this man's face. Does he look like somebody you generally want to slap? Homie look like he used to bite people in childhood, through adolescence, and in adulthood. Now, this is a difficult compilation to put together because you got to take into account there's probably more pain on the back end than on the front end. But one way or another, they didn't go down. This might have been the best eat that we've seen in season 2. This dude must have iron cheeks. Actually, I'll take that back because that sounds crazy. These dudes getting their faces mutilated for just...
$350.
Wait, how this dude make the compilation? Homie look fucked up.
Brain damage.
He can barely open his left eye. You gotta give kudos for not going down on this slap, but the damage has already been done.
Holy shit, a lady!
That might be the greatest eat of all time. She barely moved. I would say her face has the strength of Octomom's uterus, but we did see her get knocked out in her next fight. All jokes aside, I'm still wondering, how does one come to the decision that this is what they want to do with their life? Fuck the slap. Dude in the back with the goggles looks like he sells Oxycontin by the pill.
Somebody call the police.
I don't even gotta say nothing about this dude. We know he crazy. With a beard like that, of course he gonna eat slaps.
Look at the size of him. He's a monster. Black power.
Good job, my brother. We rocking with you.
Of all the slaps, this one gotta be the most disrespectful, because homie gripped his entire mouth, gave that brother the Bane mask by circumstance.
No one cared who I was till I put on the mask.
Payback's a bitch.
That's terrible.
I don't even think the big man felt that. Even the Mandingo Warrior knew he ain't put his all into that slap.
Lord have mercy. We must stay focused, brothers.
Forget the endurance of slaps. I need to know why people get into this business. You getting paid at maximum, maybe $6,500? That's 3 months rent in New York, and that's a low quality apartment. Let you live in a high rise, you'll be lucky if you make a month. I don't know how this man made the compilation. Slap had him hit a little two-step that could have pulled the Taylor Swift fan at Coachella. Buddy may have survived, but he certainly did not eat. Wait a minute, I got a question for the public. Y'all think these slappers got agents? Cause what leverage do you really have in this business?
I'm gonna slap you!
This man tickled his chin. That's a big boy stepping to the podium right now. Read his lips. He said, thank you for slapping him. That dude got a fetish. He is not in this business to win money. He's here to satisfy his sexual desires. Fuck the slap. Look at the black goggled man. You can't tell me he's not farting right now.
I'm gonna fart.
I've been a fan of the fight game for years. I've thought about what it felt like to box. I thought about what it felt like to fight mixed martial arts. I've never once said, let me see what it's like to get slapped while I stand there looking stupid. Hi-ya! I think a chromosome just fell out his ear. Look at him doing random emotes that don't really make much sense. Although I don't believe this sport will ever break through to the mainstream, if you're somebody who's looking to study in medical, the ear, nose, and throat department gotta be up 17%. What kind of chin does this dude have?
Wait, bring that back. I gotta see that again.
This man might be Dexter Morgan in the flesh. He didn't even blink in the midst of getting slapped in the Adam's apple. How did he maintain eye contact the entire time? You think this is a slap fight? This is really a staring contest for this man. You are not the same. Look at the sinister smile on this man's face. These individuals are deranged. Hold on, I thought we saw this big-ass islander before. How much slaps did he eat during his tenure in Power Slap? Here, I thought this brother was morbidly obese, but he's just filled to capacity with the hopes of knockouts from his opponents. All I know is I would love if they had some sort of brain scan before and after you participate in Power Slap, so we would know what the ramifications of this profession is. All I know is this dude is gonna murder somebody, whether he wins or loses. Somebody watch this guy. He's a dangerous human being.
I'm going to my car. Get my other gun. Shoot everybody's ass.